why you procrastinate, and how to fix it. Hook, pain, relief. Let's begin. Stay till the end for one small step you can take today. Section 1. The siren song of later. Understanding procrastination's grip. Have you ever looked at a looming deadline and whispered, "I'll do it tomorrow"? It's a promise we make with the best of intentions, yet it becomes a cycle of delay that leaves us anxious and overwhelmed. Procrastination is the tendency to postpone important tasks, choosing the fleeting comfort of easier pleasures. It's the silent thief of time and potential, a habit that sabotages goals, strains relationships, and erodes self-confidence. We rush last minute, submit work below our best, and sometimes miss opportunities entirely. Stress mounts, sleep suffers, and a cloud of guilt follows. But there's a way out, and it starts with understanding. You can reclaim your time and peace of mind. Section 2. The roots of delay. Unearthing why we postpone. It's rarely laziness, often it's a coping response to hard emotions. Fear of failure makes not starting feel safer than trying. When the task ties to self-worth, big project, creative work, crucial exam, the pressure can be immense. We worry we'll be judged and fall short. Perfectionism becomes a cage that blocks the first step. Huge or vague tasks trigger overwhelm. Our brain's threat system goes on alert. We don't know where to begin. Ambiguity breeds procrastination. We choose structured, busy work for quick hits of completion. When work feels boring or disconnected from values, drive plummets. The brain prioritizes immediate rewards over distant benefits. Phones, feeds, and autoplay are engineered to capture attention. Stress and fatigue drain willpower. A perfect storm for delay. Section 3. The first crack in the dam. Make the task so small it's hard to refuse. Big goals feel like massive energy drains. Reframe into smallest possible components. The mental barrier starts to crumble. Instead of clean the house, first step, take out the trash. Don't climb the mountain, take the first step. Paper due, open a doc, write one sentence. Fitness, put on your workout clothes. Tiny steps silence anxiety and spark momentum. Once in motion, you tend to stay in motion. Each small win invites the next. Tiny completions reward the brain. Focus only on step 1. Build a chain of small wins. Time feels abstract, making it easy to waste. Use time as a tool with the Pomodoro technique. Set 25 minutes, one task, 0 interruptions. When it rings, take a 5-minute break. After 4, a longer one. It creates gentle urgency and focus. Turn work into a sprint you can win. The 2-minute rule. If it takes under 2 minutes, do it now. Handle microtasks instantly to prevent piles. Time block priority work into your calendar. Treat it like an appointment and protect it. Scheduling makes intention concrete. You confront reality of time and spend it on what matters. Focus, recover, repeat. That rhythm beats procrastination. Your environment quietly shapes your behavior. Make the desired action easy and the undesired one hard. Turn off non-essential alerts and add friction to distractions. Physically remove temptation, block rabbit holes, clear everything but essentials to reduce cognitive load. Laptop, notebook, lamp, a space that signals focus. Prime cues so the path of least resistance is action. In the morning, momentum begins at your feet. For writing, place the cue right where you sit. Design surroundings that nudge you to start. When your space supports focus, you need less willpower. Your environment becomes your silent coach. Our brains seek pleasure and avoid pain. Link a reward to an unpleasant task. Temptation bundling. Listen to a favorite podcast while doing chores. Or only watch your show on the treadmill. You transfer positive feelings to the task. Soon, you look forward to starting. After a 25-minute sprint, reward yourself for 5 minutes. Scroll briefly, stretch, or sip tea. After difficult milestones, take a short walk or enjoy dark chocolate. Immediate rewards close the gap so your present self cares. Repeated small wins create a feedback loop and momentum. You train your brain to link work with satisfaction and payoff. Shame after procrastination keeps the cycle alive. Self-criticism feels motivating but backfires. Guilt and shame demotivate and increase stress. We delay, feel bad, then delay again. Antidote, self-compassion. Acknowledge feelings without judgment. Actions aren't identity. You are not your procrastination. Forgive yourself and try again. Forgiveness reduces future procrastination. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Be kind to future you. Use the 2-minute rule. Break it down. Set a timer. Each action casts a vote for who you want to be. Productive, focused, in control. If today slips, Let it go. Wake up, take one small step, and begin again.